Hello, how to evaluate this nice radical problem. Square root of 2000 plus square root of 500 is equal to what? Solution. Square root of 2000 can be written as square root of 100 multiplied by 20 plus square root of 500 can be written as square root of 100 multiplied by 5. So this is equal to square root of 100 multiplied by square root of 20 plus square root of 100 multiplied by square root of 5. Then square root of 100 is 10 multiplied by square root of 20 plus 10 multiplied by square root of 5. This is equal to 10 multiplied by square root of 4 multiplied by 5 plus 10 square root of 5. And this is equal to 10 multiplied by square root of 4 is 2 root 5 plus 10 square root of 5. This is equal to 10 times 2, 20 square root of 5 plus 10 square root of 5. Then this is equal to 20 root 5 plus 10 root 5, 30 root 5. And this is the final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget the step, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.